Hey there everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Minecraft stuck on the loading screen or Mojang logo. This will be a step-by-step guide, so follow along to fix this problem for you. Just before we begin, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel with all notifications on, and if you do have any questions during the video, make sure to comment down in the comment section down below and I'll happily answer them for you. So without any further ado, let's get straight to the video. So the first thing that I made here is an image or a demographic on how you can do all of the steps so you don't get screwed up or you don't get confused. So the first thing is restarting your game completely. Sometimes a simple restart can fix temporary glitches. The next one is checking your internet. Basically, just go ahead and turn on and off for simple troubleshooting. Next step is restarting your PC. A restart of your PC can be the best way to get temporary glitches as well. So basically, what I do is shut down your PC for about at least 1 to 2 minutes, then turn it back on. Next is checking for game updates. Outdated versions can cause loading issues. Next, remove mods and add-ons. Mods can cause conflicts. Remove mods one by one to find the problem. Start the game without mods first. Most loading issues are caused by mods. So basically, textures or mods, a lot of those sometimes gives the issue for loading screen and logo. Next is clearing cache on percentage update percentage. So basically what you do is press on Windows plus R, type percentage update percentage /.minecraft and press enter, and it should be popping up with the exact folder for Minecraft. Go ahead and delete the cache folder and you should go ahead and try to fix Minecraft and open it for you. Next, allocate more RAM. To do that, just go ahead and go to installations, more options, increase RAM. Example, these two are the examples right here, XMX 4G or XMX 6G. Next is verifying the game files on your launcher for your Minecraft. Go ahead and click on the 3 dots, even though if it's not the legit Minecraft one, but I don't condone any illegal stuff, just go ahead and click on repair and it should be fixed, or it will fix any corrupted or missing game files. Next is by basically updating Java. We know that Minecraft includes Java and needs Java to run properly, so go ahead and update or download the latest version for Java that can cause loading problems. Next is lastly is basically reinstalling Minecraft if none of these works. So basically that's it for all of the videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys find this video helpful, please leave a like. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.